Lisa, and I'm going to read to you from outside today. Do you like to read outside? It's so beautiful and sunny today. The story I'm going to read is White Rabbit's Color Book by Alan Baker. One day, White Rabbit found 3 big tubs of paint, red, yellow, and blue. Sunshine yellow, she thought, lovely. A quick dip, and yellow rabbit bright as the sun. Now what about red, thought Rabbit. What's this? Orange Rabbit. Look, red and yellow together make orange. Time for a wash, thought Rabbit. Red on its own this time. Splash! Red Rabbit, sizzling hot red. How cool blue looks, thought Rabbit. There's Red Rabbit in the blue tub. What's this? Purple Rabbit. Look, red and blue together make purple. I'm a very important royal purple rabbit. Princess Purple Rabbit in the shower. Blue will do, thought Rabbit. Blue Rabbit, icy cold blue. Brr, how warm yellow looks, thought Rabbit. What's this? Green Rabbit. Look, blue and yellow together make green. Oh dear, no more water. All that's left is a little red paint. Now, what would happen, thought Rabbit? Hooray! Brown Rabbit, lovely warm brown. Blue, yellow, and red together make brown, and brown's just right for me. I have a rabbit that I want to show you. Do you want to guess what color he is? Did you guess brown? My rabbit is brown, and this is Hopkins. Say hello, Hopkins. Some of you might have met Hopkins at the library when he came to visit for a story time. Now, I'd like to go for a walk, and Hopkins would like to come with me, and we're going to go and collect some things from nature. Come along. Hopkins and I are ready to go on our walk. Here we go. And I brought with me an egg carton, and I'm going to use this to put the items in that I collect on my walk. Let's see, is there something here I could put into the egg carton? Oh yes, what is that? That's a dandelion. There it is, my first thing in my collection. Let's keep walking and see what else we find. Looks like a stick. I could put that in my collection. Let's check on Hopkins and see what he's doing. Hi, Hopkins. Enjoying your walk? Me too. Look at that beautiful magnolia tree. Maybe there's something here that I can put in my nature collection. Let's see. Oh, I could put a petal in my collection on this tree. I'm going to head back home now and look at my collection of things that I found in nature. I'm back from my nature walk, and here's my collection of items that I found in nature. Here, I'll show you. I found a stick and some flowers, a leaf, a rock. I put some grass in there, along with some acorn tops and a dandelion. And I even left a few spaces empty, and that way I can take this out on another walk with me. And now we'll end with a song by Jim Gill called Spaghetti Legs.
If my legs were made of spaghetti, I'll tell you what I would do. I'd wiggle them, wriggle them, shake and jiggle and hope my arms were not too. If my arms were made of spaghetti, I'll tell you what I would do. I'd wiggle them, wriggle them, shake and jiggle and hope my neck was not too. But if my neck was made of spaghetti, I'll tell you what I would do. I'd wiggle it, wriggle it, shake fingers weren't too. My fingers were made of spaghetti. I'll tell you what I would do. I'd wriggle them, shake and jiggle and hope my whole body wasn't too. But if my whole body was made of spaghetti, I'll tell you what I would do. I'd wiggle it, shake and jiggle and hope that yours was not too.